What do humans use to chew food?
Teeth.
Which is an example of artificial light?
Lamp.
What is the collection of all water on Earth called?
Hydrosphere.
What kind of material is plastic?
Man-made.
Which animal is known to hibernate during winter?
Bear.
What happens when light hits a mirror?
It reflects.
What kind of force is kicking a ball?
Push.
Which animal is a mammal among these options?
Dolphin.
Which of these animals is a reptile?
Lizard.
What does a driver need to drive legally?
License.
What process breaks down rocks into smaller pieces?
Weathering.
What do we call materials that let light pass through?
Transparent.
Which is a type of soil?
Loam.
Which of these materials is waterproof?
Plastic.
Which creature spins a web to catch its prey?
Spider.
Where do most fish live?
Ocean.
Which is the heaviest living reptile in the world?
Saltwater crocodile.
What protects the Earth from harmful rays of the sun?
Ozone layer.
Which of these materials is used in clothes?
Cotton.
Which device converts chemical energy into electrical energy?
Battery.
What do we use to write on the blackboard?
Chalk.
What causes echoes?
Reflected sound.
In a light bulb, what energy is transformed into light energy?
Electrical energy.
What is plastic made from?
Chemicals.
In which layer of the atmosphere do we live?
Troposphere.
How many sense organs are there in the human body?
Five.
At what temperature does water boil, in Celsius?
(100°C).
Which is not a state of matter?
Light.
What is the young one of a swan called?
Cygnet.
What term describes a community of living things interacting with their environment?
Ecosystem.
Which vitamin is good for eyesight?
Vitamin A.
Which insect builds a hive and produces wax?
B.
What is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury.
Which is a material that does not mix with water?
Oil.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which nutrient gives us energy?
Carbohydrates.
What do we call a scientist who studies living things?
Biologist.
How many bones are there in the adult human body?
(206).
Which process converts ice into liquid water?
Melting.
Which planet is famous for its rings?
Saturn.